Hey everyone, this is Ahmed Osama speaking. I am an intern at the Sparks Foundation Data Science and Business Analytics internship, and today I'm going to show my work for task 3, exploratory data analysis. Our goal was to find out the weak areas where you can work to make more profit at these areas. First of all, we need to import the required libraries needed for uh, what we need in our work. So we imported the NumPy and the pandas and matplotlib for graphs and Seaboard for graphs as well. Import warnings to ignore any warnings shown in the code. Then we read the dataset using 3D data frame. After that, we showed the data frame description. Here, I showed the df.head, which are the first 5 cells or records for the data at SampleSuperstsore.csv. Then I showed the df.shape, which show us the number of columns versus the numbers of heads. Then I showed the info of each column to show exactly how many null objects are found. Then we used the describe method, which show our statistical data against each other. We have sales, quantity, discount, and profit, which are the numerical data, against postal code, which is not numerical. However, it is shown in describe as it has only digits, but we would remove it as it doesn't show any statistical data. Then we see the is null.sum to show the sum of null values, but they are all zeros. Then we try to clean and organize the data by showing the duplicate values, which are counted as 17. So I used the drop underscore duplicates to remove them. Now our data is cleaned. I detected if any outliers are found at quantity. For example, if quantity is found less than 0, but there wasn't any found, as well as discount and postal code. Postal code must be integer type, cannot contain any string or characters, and it was also cleaned. Array was null. Then I showed the unique data after removing the duplicates to show how many ship modes are found. We have 4 ship modes. We have only one country, which is the United States of America. We have 531 cities. So we have a lot of cities which we can show in graphs. The unique data, which is reasonable, was the region, which is only 4. The segment, which was 3, and the ship mode, which was also 4. Here we begin in data visualization. So we show the subcategory versus the category. We have only 3 categories, and subcategory was about 12. Yeah, they were 17. We show a bar chart. We have a lot of phones and accessories, machines and copiers, but we need to increase tables and bookcases. Here we check the relation between numerical rows and columns as we stated above. We have postal code, which is not considered numerical, but it contains only digits. So we drop the column postal code so that our data doesn't get confused when representing numerical data. Here we get histogram, which is also made for numerical data, sales, quantity, and discount and profit. We have a lot of profit gained when discount was 0.2 and 0.0 for obvious reasons, as the discount is 0. No, profit is very high, and 0.2 gives a lot of profit. That's because the sales are very high at 0 and is of considerable amount at 0.1 and 0.2. So we need to increase the sales more by attracting customers using discount. Here we show the count of each region. We have stated that we have 4 regions: West, East, Central, and South. So that is the count of them, each of them. We will show this by this bar chart using Seaboard library. It's obvious that the West region has the most count, so we don't need to increase. We need to increase only the South region, as it is the of the least count. Here we show the profit gained by each ship mode. We stated also that ship mode are 4 types. First class has the most profit, so we need to increase also the standard class a little bit, but they are all similar to each other. Here we show the ship mode using a pair plot, but we have a lot of outliers. Most data are covering each other, so we cannot get clear results except for quantity. The quantity of the standard class is the highest. Here we made the same results, but for the region. We also couldn't get a clear view as they have a lot of outliers, except the West also have the highest quantity. We made that for the category also. To get a clearer view, we made the category using this bar plot against the profit. As we can see, furniture has the least profit, so we need to add a little amount of furniture. Technology has a very high profit, around 80%. Here we show the discount against profit. As we said, the highest discount was 0. The highest discount, which gained a lot of profit, was 0 discount, then 0.2, then 0.1. Then we start to lose profit or gain negative profit from 0.3 and 0.4. That's why we need to increase the sales after putting discount or increasing the discount. Here we made also another subplot, scatter plot against discount and sales. Sales was very high when we have 0 discount, and was considerable amount when the 0.1 and 0.2, but started to decrease gradually when increasing the discount. So we need to make the marketing team attract the customers using high discounts. That's it for today. Feel free to leave your suggestions and comments, and wait for the next videos. Thank you.